Anthony. Anthony.
Look at Daddy.
Anthony.
I want to put his feet in the sand. How's that feel? You don't like him, huh?
Flip his hat up so you can see his face.
It's hard because I'm not underneath. I don't want to take him too far out of the sun.
What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up?
His first real beach day. Now you have sand in your toes, right? All right, get it off.
Say hi, Mommy.
Hi. I look fat though. Get it off my body right now.
It's not on your body.
Covering. There he is.
Try to turn his head if you can.
Look over there. Look at that.
Hey. Just chilling at the beach.
The beach?
Check him out. He's getting ready for all the chicks when he gets older.
Where are your sandals?
Hey, my name is Anthony. Come pick me up.
And we don't have to say anything.
I'm available.
Have to get away
He's got his nice bathing suit on.
Get on the waiting list, he'll tell him.
No. He's accepting applications right now, right, Aunt? That's what I thought. Look at that boy. Look at him.
Hi, Chichi.
Hey, what are you doing? Who's Daddy's boy? 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 Hey.
Can you even chilling?
Yeah.
You can see his face?
Yeah. Hey, look. Look. What are you doing? Gonna go in the water? You gonna go in the water?
Like it?
Bad idea, Mommy, huh?
Well, his first beach experience. It's like the tubby, which he doesn't really like that much. Right, Ma? Aww. I take a picture with the camera and then